This little bird just flew in my house. Let me pick him right up. Seems like it's a baby. I'll let it go. Oh yeah, still a baby. Must have just left its nest. Maybe we should keep it for a little pet. Hey, Chirpy. There it goes. Bye, Chirpy. There's Chirpy's mama. Oh, it's kind of neat. Yeah, there's Chirpy's mama right there. Yelling at me and stuff. Let's go see about Chirpy. I think Chirpy fell out of his nest. There's Chirpy's mom. Let's see what she does. Oh, there's Chirpy. Bye, Chirpy.
Chirpy?
Chirpy came back.
Daddy! Chirpy! Hey, Chirpy!
Oh, I didn't get it. Hey, Chirpy. Oh, there Chirpy goes. Last time Chirpy came in the...
No! Hey!
Get Chloe back. Last time Chirpy came in the front door. This time she came in the back door. Or he. Hey, Chirpy.
I want to hold Chirpy.
Now let's put the bird outside, okay?
No.
Here. Somebody go open the back door.
Oh, I want to hold it.
Here, go let it go in the backyard.
Chirpy, I want to hold it, Daddy. Don't let it hold it.
She likes it.
We have a picture of Dr.
Cute.
Well, should we keep her?
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
Yes, please. Yes.
Chirpy belongs in the wild. If she comes back again, then we know it's meant to be.
Okay. If she comes back.
Let's put her outside.
If she comes back, then
It'd be nice if he was a boy, but I think he's a girl. Let's put Chirpy over here with our plants.
Daddy, I don't think Chirpy doesn't want to go home. Hey, Chirpy. Daddy. Daddy, I don't think Chirpy doesn't want. Daddy, I think Chirpy likes you. Daddy, I think Chirpy likes you.
Yeah, I don't think so. Leave her alone. Come on.
Okay. She'll bite you.
Okay, in the house, everybody.
Birdie, here. Squeeze it. Fell. But where's another one? I'm good at killing them. Chloe, no, you're not gonna eat Chirpy.
It's in her mouth. I don't think she wants it. I think they eat seeds. Seeds.
Maybe
That's not good.
a baby. It takes it a while.
Get back, guys. Get back.
Get back and scare it down.
Daddy, that's not good. I hear a bird.
Yeah, I don't think it's the mom because the mom was louder. Okay, Chirpy, eat it. It's got the fly in her mouth.
She won't bite you, right? Right, Daddy?
No.
The glass will still be moving.
She's not eating this one, so just wait. I think she's just probably tired.
Daddy. Can we please keep it?
We'll see. If she stays around here, we will. But birds, they don't belong in cages. She should be flying, and I think she's healthy enough to fly by herself. But she just seems tired.
Or she probably likes us. She probably likes us.
I don't know. Just gotta
Maybe she's thirsty.
to get some water. We'll put a little cap, like in a little soda cap or something.
Yeah! Great idea. And we can have our own little trippy cake.
Get back so she's not scared.
Okay.
See if Chirpy will go back to her mom. She'll at least spit that fly out.
Oh, Josh, she really is living.
I know.
Daddy, that bird is going to attack you.
No, it's not. Get back, guys. Come on. Get back. See what happens. Come on, get in the house. Get over here.
Daddy will show us on the video what happens. Come on. Come on, Dad. You'll see on the video what happens. Come on.
Yeah, because she's too scared to go to her right now. Because we're still here.
Be still. At least be a statue. Little girl.
Look, there she goes. Look, that is the mama. Get back, guys. Get back before you scare the mama away.
Sammy, it's like a statue. It's like a statue. If it's not gonna go,
Mom's sitting right there on the roof.
I know. Let's just get Chirpy if the mom doesn't go. Get Chirpy. Daddy.
Come on, come this way, guys.
But Chirpy's mom is not gonna get Chirpy.
How do you know? Look, there she goes. Look, there she goes.
Maybe if we get a little back there.
She sees her baby. She's gonna get her baby. See? There she goes, right next to her. It's the same kind of bird, and she was yelling for her. That's why I brought Chirpy in the front yard, so she can get back with her mom.
Yeah.
Huh?
It's our team.
Look, see how Chirpy's moving around now? She's not scared.
Oh.
There she goes. Mama following. See the mama follower? Slow down, slow down. See, there's the mom up there now. She's watching her baby. Where'd the baby go? Leave her there. Just leave her there. See? Look at the mom. All right, come on, let's go. There's Chirpy and Mama back together now. Really hard to see, but she's feeding the baby right now. I'm sure that baby is hungry, screaming for some food.
They're up in that tree right there. I know you can't see them because... Here, let's get a little closer. They're going up higher, so let's go up the hill. Up there. just went higher, so